Hi everyone, welcome to JCtrans class. This is Cindy from JCtrans Logistic Network. Recently, many freight forwarders are facing a big problem, which is the high international freight cost and how to lower the freight cost if you cannot change the shipping rates. Here are 7 ways for you. First one, shorten the transportation distance of goods. Today's international trade, logistics, and transportation service, in addition to extremely valuable goods, most of the goods are in accordance with volume or weight of goods, and referring to the distance of transport to calculate the freight. So the length of the distance of transport of goods often affects the level of logistic cost. In the process of carrying goods, to choose as short a distance as possible. The second one, choose the right means of transport. When carrying out international transport goods, it's necessary to choose appropriate means of transport. For goods with strong timelines and a small quantity, you can choose air transportation. However, the needs to transport large quantities of goods are mainly by sea. On the land, it can be transported by train or car according to local conditions. Third one, reduce the turnover of goods. The more goods are turned around, the higher the cost of goods will be, because every time the turnover of goods, operators are required to carry out related work, spend a certain amount of working capital. Therefore, to minimize the goods unnecessary turnover link, reduce the cost of international logistics. The fourth, speed up the delivery of goods. Time is money, which is quite appropriate for international logistics. Take the sea transportation of goods as an example. When a freighter sails at sea, it costs by the day. Any delay of 1 day is an increase in the cost. Therefore, it's necessary to improve the delivery speed of goods and reduce the transit time of goods. The fifth, expanding the volume of goods transported in a single shipment. As we all know, when a car is transporting goods, it wants to fill up the carriage, because loading as many goods as possible in the same direction at the same cost can increase the income of logistics transportation. The same is true of international logistics. When carrying goods, it's necessary to maximize the amount of single shipment and reduce the empty load rate. 6.1. Multimodal transport saves cost in the process of international logistic transport. It's not limited to a certain mode of transport, but to stand in the overall perspective of whole logistic transport. The use of multimodal transport of goods transport. Do not stick to the cost of a certain link, but ensure that the overall cost is the lowest. 7th, reduce the damage of goods in international logistic transportation. Part of the cost of whole logistics is the cost of compensation to the owner of the goods due to damage. So, on the one hand, through the purchase of goods insurance to the goods for insurance. On the other hand, it's necessary to improve the packaging of goods and transport containers to ensure that the goods transported are in good condition. International freight costs may be higher and higher in the first quarter of 2021. So, freight forwarders should give a situation and shipping plan in advance. If you want to know more about trade and logistics, welcome to subscribe us. Bye!